Hey everybody, I'm playing the trick on my little brother Brayden. So here he comes. Brayden, come! Dude, come on! Woo! Okay, Brayden. Oh boy, come here. Okay. Let's show your magical forehead to the audience. Okay. Okay, so get back some. Okay. So we're gonna place a penny on the forehead and see how much time it takes to hit on your head. Okay? How many times? Okay, so I'm gonna move over and then start hitting your head. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay.
You can't look up, that's cheating.
Okay. So now second time. I'm hungry. Okay, well you can eat after one more time after this.
Don't look up, that's cheating.
Okay. So now go down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Oh wow. Okay,
Okay, one more. Okay, eat some chips. Okay, come over here now. One more time.
Look down.
Look down now. Okay, go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Come on, dude. Smack it. Smack it.
I am the penny.